Everything matters on the composition of the dish. So it's just about flavor. It's just about having a good time. This is my commitment. This is how we build the Epicuro table. Epicuro was a great philosopher, and I think everything connected through happiness, it has a connection to his name. We were looking for a place where you can offer demo cooking classes, chef's tables, and everything related to a private event. Great setup of the table, great cuisine, and great ambience. Traveling and living abroad has been shaped by communication through food. That's what makes this place very special, because it is a moment where you can have very different menus that can just communicate gastronomy and fine cuisine to a local cook. Puerto Rico has always been, and it always will be, through my thinking and through my craft and through my deliverance. I've been seeing the way that I'm developing menus, and there's always an acerola, a tamarindo, a mango, a papaya. There's always an opportunity to add this Caribbean touch, this Caribbean Puerto Rican touch. Let yourself be surprised. Let yourself be taken care of. How can I just be also connected to your happiness? Yes, it is gastronomy, but it's also a relationship.